Tiger, be quiet. Up in that tree there's a little red bird. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so cool. Such a cool little red bird, and Tiger's meowing at me. Hey! It's a cool little red bird. There's an ant in my camera! Ew, 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 get it off, get it off, get it off! Crap! Man, where'd it go? That's really creepy. It's still there! Tiger, eat the bug! Oh man. So yeah. I was just gonna make a video of the cool little bird, but I forgot that I'm sitting outside. Oh man, that could mean there's ants in my purse because my purse is open. That's so bad. I don't know if you can see the bird. Where'd it go? I probably scared away with my screaming. Crap. It was a cool little like red bird thing. It was really cool looking. Tiger, what are you doing, you nut? I have cool new shoes from Hot Topic on clearance. Oh yeah. Oh man, the neighbors are looking at me because I was screaming. Dude, whoa. So, I don't know. I guess that's it, because the bird is apparently, gone. And so is the ant.